If you have issues with the hotspot not working properly on Xiaomi 17, then first of all we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, proceed to the portable hotspot, which is of course accessible over here via main menu of settings. If not, then go to more connectivity options and you will find it here above the airplane mode. So once we go to the portable hotspot, the first thing that you want to do is, for example, make sure that the support of 6th generation standard is not activated. And this might be the reason why your hotspot is not detectable on other devices. This is simply because some devices do not really support the 6th standard or 6th generation. So as a result, these devices will not be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network, so you might want to turn it off. And besides that, you can find also another quite important setting in the Setup Portable Hotspot menu, and it is this one, Select AP Band. Of course, 5 GHz allows you to increase the speed of the hotspot. It provides a faster connection for all the devices that are going to be connected, but as a result, of course, you might encounter compatibility issues, just like in the case of the Wi-Fi 6 standard. So you might want to switch the AP band to 2.4 GHz. Also over here, you can of course check the password, so make sure that you or that other person that you're trying to share the internet to is using the correct password. You might want to change it to something simpler, or what you can also do is, if that other device can scan the Wi-Fi QR codes, you can enable the portable hotspot, you can turn it on, and then you will find this option, Share QR Code, so you can select it, and then you can generate this QR code that can be scanned in order to connect to the network without having to look for it in the Wi-Fi settings, or without having to enter the password to the network. Also, if your hotspot keeps disconnecting after like 10 minutes or so, then you might want to disable this option, turn off hotspot automatically. But remember to then manually disable or turn off the hotspot once you no longer need to share the access to the internet. Simply because usually when no device is connected, then the phone automatically disables the hotspot. But if you need more time than the phone offers, then of course you might want to turn it off. And that is pretty much everything that you can do in order to try to solve your issues with the hotspot. Also remember that sometimes a simple reboot of the device can be helpful as well. So if none of this helps, also you can just simply restart your phone and see if that helps. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.